Alright, so up next on the number tracker we have total additional services. So any additional services, personal training for us, nutrition counseling, we don't have that, individual design, we have one person doing that. So here's how we're going to get that number. We're going to come over to Zen Planner. We're going to go to Finances. We're going to go to Gross Sales Revenue Report. Now, when we initially do this, it's set for 90 days. So we want to fix that. We want to go Edit Report, and then where it says last 90 days, I'm going to correct that. We're the 29th, so I'm going to put the 29th, and then I'm just going to hit Enter. That'll refresh. Hit this little refresh buzz right here. And then I'm basically going to go through. Now, fundamentals do not count as this, right? I don't count fundamentals under here because I counted them already as point of sale cash. So I'm only counting these ones that say 12 pack, right? So 12 pack right here, there's one, there's two, and then there's three, right? So there's 12 packs right there, whatever that is, 696 times 3, I would add that up. And then I would just kind of keep going down. This is a fundamental 4, that's a fundamental 4. I'm just going down. These are all memberships. So they say kids program, and then they say membership. This is homeschool, also a membership. Unlimited ninjas, 5 class passes. Those are fine. Then we're just continuing to go down. Paid in fulls. Those are fine. Just coming through, not seeing anything other than memberships. Now, here's another one, promotional test. Right, so we definitely want to put this one down. Strong 12 weeks paid in full from Addie at $310. We gave her the homie discount because we didn't think she was going to show up, and lo and behold, she hasn't shown up yet. So I would count that. So basically, those 3 PTs, and then that 310 for Addie. And that's about it for the additional revenue.